I can still remember an inspirational story about the value of life. A boy asking his father what is his life worth. The father instructed the boy to take a beautiful stone into three different people and ask how much they are willing to pay for it. The boy received different offers. First, on the marketplace, a woman offered him $2 so she can use it on her garden. Next, on a museum, a man offered him $200 for the stone. And lastly, taking the stone to a precious stone collector, he got an offer of $200,000. The father paused for a moment and said, "It doesn't matter where you come from, where you were born, the color of your skin, or how much money you were born into. It matters where you decide to place yourself, the people you surround yourself with, and how you carry yourself. A matter of choice to place yourself with people who can see you as a $2 stone or people who can see the diamond inside you." So that story helped me to have a definition of knowing the value of life. And I believe that it also applies in all aspects of what we are doing, especially in today's topic, which is becoming a valuable product designer. Hello guys, I'm Vic and Happy New Year to everyone, and I'm recording this video today, 3rd of January this year. I'm here to tell you a story of how I became a product designer and will give you my thoughts of how you can become one, especially a valuable one. So first, I just want to start by defining what product design is. So from an article from UX Collective, it is about the entire process of creating usable products and experiences, starting by defining real people's problems and thinking about possible solutions. So let us say if you are health conscious and you like biking so much, you might want to track your biking activities and see how it can help you to be more physically fit. So product design process here is when you think of creating an app or any other solutions to help people become physically fit through biking. And moving on to my backstory, I finished multimedia arts, which covers a lot of branches in the field of design. So it includes graphics, motion design, sounds, film, branding, illustrations, and website design. And then I only focus in doing website design. So I was doing freelance website projects right after my graduation and even before I graduate. And since I'm more into doing self-study, trying to improve myself in terms of website design, I eventually discovered UX design, or what we call as user experience design. So I got interested into it because I found it different from what other designers are doing. And from there, I did a lot of research, enrolled in some introductory courses, follow different people who are doing UX, read recommended books to understand the process of doing product design. And so that's how I became product designer, or what we call UI UX designer. I don't have formal education for UX, but it is an accumulative effort of research, self-study, following people, and my willingness to learn. And there is no shortcut for everything, but I hope what I'm going to tell you right now will help you a bit better for you to become a product designer. And here is the first one. It is all about having the designer's mindset. You need to understand that design is a process of finding the problem and then creating a solution. The time that I learned about that mindset changed my approach in doing design. From here, you will understand why it is important to know about the user needs, business goals, and technicalities of different projects in product design. Whether it is a website, mobile app, or even a physical product. Different design methodologies and processes are important, but these are just tools. What we actually need is to get the right mindset to find the right direction towards the right solution. The second one that I want to talk about is you have to learn the tools. In order for you to do product design or UI UX, you need to know how to use the tools. You cannot create a solution if you will not invest time to study the tools you can use within the whole product development process. I'd like to share some tools I'm using right now. So first one is real-time board. So it is an online whiteboard for remote team collaboration. It helps me and my team to put down notes together, do design sprint exercises, user flows, and basically anything we can do on a whiteboard can be done here online and real time. Next one is UX Spin. I'm using this for rapid prototyping, quick wireframes through the help of pre-made elements that I can just drag and drop into each screens. Not to mention, you can also collaborate with your team real time. The third one is Sketch. So this is my main tool for doing interface design or UI design. And also using it for wireframes if I want to make it look better. For some instances, I'm using it also to do quick prototypes or navigational screens. The fourth one is InVision. This is also a prototyping tool that I'm using, but its main purpose is it is designed more for user testing, quick feedback requests of your prototype from the team. The last one is Principle. This is the tool I'm using to do interaction design or animations. I'm using this because I can export my sketch artboards into Principle directly. So I'd say that there are so many tools to use. So feel free to explore the best fit for you. I wouldn't recommend you to stick to specific tool because it can somehow limit your way of doing design. The third one is practice every day. I recommend you to aim for the best possible person that you can be as a product designer. So you have to put in the work. Practice doing UI UX design and try to achieve something every day. You can read blog posts or articles, copy dribble shots, watch a YouTube video, or anything that can help you move forward. Because the small things that you will do every day will be rewarded in time. And the last one that I want to talk about, the thing that will make you valuable and different from other designers, you must learn business. In the field of product design, you will be working with business people, and it is valuable for them if you can speak the same language. Remember this, businesses are built by people for people. If you can develop deep understanding of it, you can build a great product that can cope up with user needs, technical constraints, and business goals. User experience mostly covers user needs. I believe that the reason why most UX designers are transitioning to product designers is that there is a constant change in the needs of the people. With that in mind, I came up with a goal as a product designer. We need to create a feasible solution for human problems that can help produce enough profit for continuous operation. Three major things to remember from that goal as a product designer. First one, feasible. Should be a solution that can be done with the available resources that you have. So the next one is solution for human problems. This is the value that you provide for your users and which clearly talks about the mindset of design as creating a solution for a problem. The third one, or the last one, can produce enough profit. So bringing in enough money to keep going and make your effort worthwhile. I'd say that it is also a mindset. when you learn business for design. And I assure you that you will be surprised of how your clients or employers will value you as a designer. So these are the 4 points that I can share to you to be a valuable product designer. This might not work for everybody, but this is something that works for me. So you could try it out and see if you are comfortable with it. Since I'm a self-taught product designer, I just want to end this episode with a quote. Self-improvement is your best investment. Your own self is an asset that you already have, and you have the full control over it. How much you want to grow, and the way you want to do it. Time has the same power as money being a universal currency. If you can invest your money and get something in return, you can also use your time to invest for yourself and get huge returns. That sums up everything I want to tell about this episode. If you have questions regarding product design, feel free to comment it down below. So thank you for making it this far. A like and subscribe will be a great help. So see you guys and thanks a lot.